burgers tonight. Burgers my way. We got here 20/80. Got ground beef. 20% fat, 80% beef. I don't know what the fuck it is. 3-year-old Balderson cheese, because that's a good cheese. Celery salt, garlic powder, and some Montreal steak spice. That shit's good. Salt, kosher, and some pickles. Holy fun, why? I don't know. We'll just use them tonight. Starting off with onions, peppers, bell peppers, sweet bell peppers, fresh cracked black pepper, a little bit of salt. Come back to that. I put a garlic powder and some Montreal steak spice and cracked pepper. Mash this up and see what happens. We'll try this one ahead. Alright. Use the fattier stuff. I guess it would have stuck together better, but alright. Break them off into tennis ball, baseball, golf ball size, whatever you like. About that big. You got it ready? There's your slap them against the fridge. Round that out a bit. Here we go. One burger. Back down to the counter. Tear off another one. Should get 3 out of this. There we go. Coming along now. So, and the third one. Alright. Just pat those against the fridge, wherever the fuck you threw them, the wall. Olive oil. That's some oil happening. Big splash. It's a huge splash. Too much oil here, obviously. The way it goes, I'm going to pour a little off. Extra virgin. Save this shit, man. It's like gold. Non's the price of it. Okay. Set that back. Use that another time. Burgers on the fridge. Peel one of them off. In the pan. Next one. Tear them off the fridge or the wall, wherever you threw them. Throw them against, it doesn't matter, wherever they're going to stick. Just use a little fork. Whip them. Alright. And number 3. There you go. 3 in the pan. Those are about 8-ounce burgers. Let's let them fry for a second. Alright. Get your beer topped up. It's the best way to cook, trust me. There's one piece of advice you take from me, other than cracked black pepper, as opposed to that powdered shit. Drink tons of beer when you're cooking. It's good for you. Your liver will thank you for it in the end. Alright. Obviously we've got a mixture of blue and Duff. Fuck it, I'm going with the blue because it's colder. Burgers are coming along here. Looking for getting brown on both sides. Have a peek here. See what it gives. Looks good. Good. Okay. I'm going to tip that. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a bit of oil in here. Good looking fine. Another 30 seconds. When you guys were sleeping, I grated cheese. Old cheddar is what I prefer. Those burgers are like 2/3 done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cheese on now. Let's get back here. A little more. I'm going to do 2 with cheese and 1 without. There's somebody here that doesn't want cheese. They're watching their weight. Fat fuckers. Fucking eat grease, man. Eat cholesterol. Eat grease. I drink olive oil. I have a glass of it every morning, 8 ounces. Okay. Yeah. That shit's good. Guaranteed. Put a lid on that. No, that's not going to work, is it? You're fucking right, it's gonna work like this. Got me a razor. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna turn that off. That cheese will melt on its own. There you go. There. Pulled out some yellow mustard. I got horseradish here as well. I like horseradish. Put what you want on. I didn't use the celery salt. I do have that on the side. I meant to use it, but I didn't use it. As a matter of fact, I'm going to use it right now. How about that? Just a pinch. I mean a small pinch. Good enough. That's gonna do it. Alright, let's plate one of these motherfuckers up. In the oven. That's where the buns are. They're not sitting out in the balcony. Alright. Here we go. Fuck out of there, man. You're messing up my plate. Okay, the cheese is melted. Which one will I have? That looks like it's stuck to the fridge the best. So, taking that one. Alright. Couple back here. I'm just plating one for a moment. Keep your smokes handy, your lungs will thank you for it. A little horseradish. Gotta have some horseradish. When I say a little, oh, don't be shy. Some horseradish on that. Good. Yellow mustard. Shake them up. Pop the top. Okay. There we go. What else we got? Well, we got the peppers. You saw them being cooked in the first segment. Grab a mitt full of them. Lay those on top. Oh man. Fuck, that's good just looking at. Alright. Send that over top. Oh yeah. Zoom in, zoom out. I'm not even using the zoom. I'm pushing the camera. Okay. Man.